Hello, my dear learners. This video is on Grade 5, Chapter 3, Personalizing Windows 10 Environment. This is on Computer Coursebook, page number 27. So, let's get started. My dear students, you must have seen that in your computer labs, whenever you turn on your computer, each of the computer's screen is different. How is this possible? How is this done? So in this chapter we are going to learn how to personalize or different settings of Windows 10. Okay, you also know that the computer has a most basic software. Which is that software? Yes, right. It is operating system. And operating system is the software that acts as an interface between user and the hardware. So Windows 10 is an operating system. It is the most popular operating system, and in this chapter we are going to learn how to customize the appearance and the display of Windows 10 operating system. So let's begin. First, we are going to see how to change the background of the desktop. Now, what is the background of the desktop? Okay, it is also known as the wallpaper, as you have walls in your houses, and after some time of interval you keep on changing the drawing or the color of your wall. Similarly, we will also see how to change the desktop wallpaper in our Windows 10 system computer. Okay, now let us start. So this is the wallpaper of my Windows desktop. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to change it to another wallpaper, another background of my desktop. So first step is to right click. Right click anywhere on the blank area on the desktop. A shortcut menu is displayed. This is the shortcut menu. Step 2. Choose the personalize option. Click on it. The personalized setting window opens. Third step. Click on the background option in the left panel of the window. The background drop down list on the right panel has three options. Can you see over here? On the right, you have different options. So if you click on the drop down menu, you will get the option as picture, solid color and slideshow. Now I'm going to tell you what does the picture mean. So whenever you want to set a background of a desktop, picture means you can have any picture that is stored in your computer as a background of your desktop. So step 1 is choose the picture option in the background drop down list to have a picture as a wallpaper. You may click and choose any of the available pictures or click on the browse button and choose any other option on the computer. Can you see? You can choose any of these pictures as a computer background. You can also browse for different pictures that are available in your computer. So you can look in different files and folders for the pictures that are there in your computer. Then step C is to click and choose a suitable option. So if I click on any option from here, suppose this, and I want this as my background. Okay. So next is click and choose a suitable option from the choose a fit drop down list. Can you see choose a fit drop down list? You have fill, fit, stretch, title, center. Okay, this will decide the manner in which the picture will be displayed on the desktop. Fill will display the whole picture on your desktop, a one whole picture. Fit, when we click on fit, can you see? It will not stretch your image. Whatever is the actual size of your image, that image will be displayed and rest of the area will be appeared as a solid color. Okay, next option is stretch. Your image will be stretched to fit the desktop. Then the next option is title. Okay, title will also give a, a title will also display the picture in a proper manner. Okay, so these are the different options. You can try all the options at your home and see what are the different effects. Next is here we can choose solid color. Now choose solid color option in the background drop down list to have a colored wallpaper. Click and choose a color of your choice from the list background colors over here. The color chosen by you is set as the desktop background. You can choose any solid color and choose it as your desktop background color. The third option you have is slideshow. Choose slideshow option in the background drop down list to have a series of pictures in the background that keep changing at the fixed interval. Okay, so if you want series of picture to change after particular interval, then you can choose the slideshow option. Click on the browse button and choose the folder that has the pictures to be included in the slideshow. Okay, you can select the picture folder from here, from the browse option. Now next is to specify the time after which you want a picture to change by choosing a value from change every picture drop down list. So I have kept for 1 minute. After 1 minute of interval, my pictures will be changing. Next step is click and choose a suitable option. Okay, so next is 1 minute. Okay, now choose and fit. So you can choose and select a suitable option. As I have selected title, can you see small images of my one picture has been displayed. Okay, if I set fill, only one image will fill my desktop. Okay, so similarly, you can select different options available. So I hope you have understood how to set a background of your image. Okay, keep trying and keep enjoying. Next is color settings in Windows 10. Now, in Windows 10, you can let the accent color be based on the background. You can choose an accent color from a given set of colors. Okay, you can choose the accent color. Now what is the accent color? The color of the title bar, the color of the status bar, start menu, task bar. Okay, you can also choose color of this. You can also set it as background, whatever you choose. Depending upon the background color, you can set the color of this, or you can also select the color of your own. Accent color determine the color tinge of window frames. You can also decide on color settings for start menu, taskbar, and action center. So step 1 is to go in personalized settings. We are already in the personalized settings. Click on the color option. Okay. Turn on or off the three color setting options according to your choice. So you have various color options available over here. To set the window accent color, set the automatic pick an accent color from my background off. It is already off over here. To set the color of the start menu, taskbar and action center, set the show color on the start task and action center You have to click on this. You have to set it to on and choose a color. Now it is already in blue. If you want to see the difference, if I click on red, can you see the taskbar color has changed to red. If I want green, it will change to green. Okay, in this way you can change the color, accent color. Okay, then this is how you do this. Next setting is customizing the lock screen. Okay, lock screen is the screen that appears at the time of Windows startup and when you don't work on a system for some time. You can customize the appearance of the lock screen. Go in the personalized settings. We are already in the personalized settings. Click on lock screen. Okay, now you have different options available on the right side. Choose the picture or the slideshow option. You can select any option from your picture or the slideshow, similar to the desktop settings. You may choose any of the available pictures. So if I click on pictures, I can select any of the available pictures. Suppose this one. Or you can also browse for the pictures from your computer. You may then choose an app to show detailed status and 7 other apps to show quick access status. Okay, can you see? Choose which app show quick access status on the lock screen. Whenever your screen is locked, you can select the app status to be shown on the lock screen over here. You can add the apps. I have already added 3 apps. The calendar, then you have mail, and there is one other app also. So you can also choose 7 like this app whose status you want to be seen on the lock screen. This is how you customize the lock screen. Next we are going to see is themes. A theme is a combination of desktop background pictures, window accent, color and sound. You can apply a theme if you don't want to make personal settings for desktop background picture, window accent color, lock screen, etc. So whatever we have learned till now, if you don't want to do it personally, individually, you can directly go to the theme and you can apply any of the theme that is already available. Okay, you can choose a theme from the various pre-installed themes or search for a theme online also. Okay, get more themes from the Microsoft Store. For this, the step one is in the personalized setting window, you click on themes. Click on theme setting. Okay, we are going in themes, we are already in theme settings. Click and choose any available theme or click on get more themes online. So if I want to apply any of the themes, okay, I can click and apply any of the themes from here. I choose this flower theme. Okay, and you see my desktop has changed accordingly. Okay, and the flower theme is being applied. You can choose different options, go in the different options and change it from here. The background you can change, the color, accent color you can change, the sounds you want to give to your computer you can change from the same themes settings. Okay, next is desktop icon settings. Okay, so here in the related settings you have option of desktop icon settings. By default, Windows 10 desktop contains a recycle bin icon. Okay, follow the steps in order to place other icons such as this PC, which is an essential icon to access the local drive, USB disk, CD, DVD drives, and other files. Okay, so step 1 in the personalized settings, click on themes, and in themes you have desktop icon setting. Now pick and choose the icon that you want to place on the desktop. Okay, whatever icons from here that I want, whatever icons you want to place on the desktop, you can select the icons from here and click on OK to place it on the desktop. You can also change the appearance of the icons To go on change, you have for that, you have to go in change icon. Suppose if I want to change the icon of this PC, I have to click on this PC, change icon, and I can select any of the icons that are available over here and change the appearance of the icon. Okay, and then after selecting, you have to click on OK and then click on apply to apply the changes. Okay, so this is how you can change the icons, and you can also have some of the apps or some of the icons appeared on the desktop. Customizing the start menu. We can also customize the start menu. Okay, you have already learned how to change the color of the start menu. The start option in the personalize options setting. You click on the start option. Will let you change which app and folder appear in the start menu. You have to decide whether you want to see recently used apps and choose whether to have start menu display as full screen. So let us discuss. Can you see? Show more titles on the start. Show apps in the start menu. So my apps are seen in my start menu. Show recently added apps. Whatever apps I have recently installed will be seen in my start menu. So this is my Windows 13 shows. This is how my I'm using Windows 13. Okay, in Windows 10, it is similar. Only some of the options are different here and there. So in Windows 10, you have show most used apps. So if you click on yes, so it will show you mostly used apps. Okay, it will use full screen. So if you want to use full screen, you have to click on use full screen, full start screen. Then which folder appear on? Choose which folders will appear on start. You have to click on choose and you can choose which folders will appear on start. Okay. So this is how you can also customize your start window. I hope you have understood how to personalize your computer which is having Windows 10 operating system. And I hope you enjoyed you have enjoyed this video by studying all this important, nice, fun things. Okay, so you can personalize your computer now with your own pictures and with sounds and different attractive colors. Okay, so keep practicing. Bye, take care.